Hi, friends. It's time for small groups, and today we are talking about patterns. And we have talked about patterns before. We know that patterns are something that happens over and over and over again. And if you look at Miss Charles's shirt, today I'm wearing a pattern. I have a yellow stripe, a cream stripe, yellow stripe, cream stripe, yellow stripe, cream stripe, yellow stripe, cream stripe. And this type of pattern is called what? Who remembers what it's called? This is called an A-B pattern, an A-B pattern. So today we are going to practice different ways that we can make patterns while we are at home. Okay, Miss Charles is going to show you how to make an A-B pattern out of things that you have at home. I'm also going to show you how to make an A-B pattern out of paper if you don't have objects at home that you can make an A-B pattern. You can look around your house. You can use the different toys that you have at home to make an A-B pattern. It's really simple, okay? So the first thing I'm going to use is, here's my board. And so I'm going to put them down, my materials down on the board so that you will be able to see them, okay? So let me move my board down. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is use these refrigerator magnets that I have from my fridge. Okay, I have these magnets, these circled, the clear ones. Then I have colored ones. Okay, so I'm going to start here, clear, color, clear, color, clear, color, clear, color. And I'm going to stand it up and I'm going to show you my pattern. So do you see my AB pattern? I have A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. That's my pattern and it repeats itself over and over again. So I have a clear magnet, color magnet, clear magnet, color magnet, clear magnet, color magnet, clear magnet, color magnet. Okay? So if you have magnets on your refrigerator, you may try to make a AB pattern. You might have letters and numbers, so you can do letter, number, letter, number, letter, number. I'm sorry, friend, Miss Charles got her mind blocked because next I'm going to make a pattern using some blocks that I have at home. I have some colored blocks, and now I'm going to use a pattern. I have a cylinder block, cylinder, and I have a cube block, cube, okay? And this looks like a square, but this is a 3D square, and the 3D square is called a cube. And a 3D circle is called a cylinder. Okay? So I'm going to make my pattern. So first I'm going to do cylinder, cube, okay? So cylinder is my A, cube is my B. So I have cylinder, cube, cylinder, cube, cylinder, cube, cylinder, cube. So remember, you always have to end your pattern with your B. So I have A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. All right. So now I'm going to use something else. So you may not have toys at home, which I'm sure most of you do. But if you don't, you can use other things around your house. Here I have some cups and some bowls. So I'm going to make a pattern with my cups and my bowls, okay? So here I have cup, bowl, cup, bowl, cup, bowl. And remember, for a pattern, it has to repeat itself over and over and over again. So here I have again A, B, A, B, A, B, okay? And finally, friends, I'm going to show you how you can make an AB pattern out of paper. Okay, so If you have scissors at home, this would be a great way for you to try to make a pattern. So you fold your paper in half. I'm going to turn my camera back around. Fold your paper in half. Okay. And then you fold it in half again. Like that. Okay. Now you get a marker or a crayon or a pencil. I'm going to use a marker. Here's my green marker. And I'm going to draw a shape, okay? I'm going to draw a circle, which is a curved line that goes all the way around. And I'm going to draw a rectangle, okay? Rectangle, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut my shapes out. Leave your paper folded, but then get your scissors, okay? See Miss Charles's scissors. I'm sorry, my lighting is a little messed up, but now I'm going to cut around the circle. Cut it around. And remember to cut, you hold and you turn. Hold and you turn. Now look at how many circles I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to cut out my rectangle, okay? So here we go. Going to cut up, turn my paper, cut again, turn my paper, cut again, turn my paper, cut again, and again, open and close, okay? Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. And now I'm going to make my pattern. I have a little yellow strip that I'm going to put on my board so that you can actually see my pattern, because if I put the white paper on top of the white board, you won't be able to see it. Okay, so here we go. Still a little bit light. Just try to move it up. Sorry. Okay. So, actually, I'm going to get my green board. So hold on a second. Let me get my green color, because that one's still a little bit hard to see. Okay. Thank you for being patient, friends. Okay. So here's a green. That's a little bit easier to see. And these are bands that I use to exercise. So I wanted to use so you'll be able to see. So here I'm going to start. Circle is going to be my A, and rectangle, oops, is going to be my B. So I'm going to put circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. And now I'm going to read it. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. All right? So we've learned different ways that we can make a pattern with objects that we have at home. I hope that you make a pattern, find some toys, make yourself a pattern, ask mom and dad to take a picture of it and send it to Miss Charles. Or they can take a video of you making your pattern and they can send it to Miss Charles that way. They can either text it to me or email it to me, okay? So I hope you have fun making patterns, friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.